Hey guys, today in this video, I'm going to tell you how you can sign up for SHEIN affiliate program. So it will be a step-by-step guide. So without much ado, let's get straight to the point. So the first thing that you need to do is you have to open the web browser and let me just enter SHEIN. SHEIN is actually an apparel brand of America, and you can earn through an affiliate program if you are a digital marketer, or social media marketing, or how to earn through affiliate programs. So you can earn through SHEIN via an affiliate program. So what do you have to do? You can't earn directly. You have to use another software or application or website, whatever you want to call it. It's by the name of CJ Affiliate. So let me just open CJ Affiliate. So once when you're here, you have to log in. Get started actually. When you reach here, make sure you sign up as a partner. Now you have to enter information in all these fields before you sign up. So once when you fulfill all these information fields, they're going to send you an email. You just have to verify it. So let me just verify my email. Here you can see, here's their link, and I'm going to click here. Now once when you're here, you have to click these boxes. It's like a terms and condition agreement. If you can't click this, what you have to do is you have to go here, and then you have to make sure you don't have to read it all, but you can if you want. But once when you open this, then you can click here, and you have to do this to both of these software policy and privacy policy. Once when you accept all these, then you have to click here. And now you have to log in. All right, so once when you're here, you have to go here to network profile. Make sure you have a very strong description and you write about yourself, what you do, what can you do. Your description should be, very much strong for your profile to get approved and accepted. So I have written my description, and the next thing that you need to do is you have to click here, manage promotional properties. Wait, I have to save this. Yeah. Okay, now we're going to click here. Once when you're here, you have to click on create property. Now here you have to tell them how you are going to promote the link, either on a website that you have, or your social media handle, or email, or mobile app. There are a lot of options right here, and you have to select the one that is the most suitable to you. And let me just fill this up, and then I'll get back to you. You have to do the same. You have to fill all these up. You have to select obviously one of the options out of all these, the ones that you find the most appropriate. And then there are further more questions that you have to answer regarding to your property or the way you're going to promote it. So let me just get started, and then I'll get back to you. Well, okay, so once when you fill all this, then you have to click submit, and that's it. That's how you can manage your property. Once when the team of CJ Affiliate views it, they're going to accept it, and they're going to verify your profile and accept your profile. I'll also advise that you spend like 30 minutes to 40 minutes filling these up, because it's very important. It's going to define what you're going to do and your strategies. So make sure that you take a lot of time to fill this and get verified and accepted. Now what you're going to do is you're going to go here to home. Once when you're here, you have to go here to partners and find advertisers. Okay, now you can see that there is a whole list, a 3,204 list of advertisers that you have that you can apply to their program and earn through the affiliate marketing through them. But what you are going to do here is you are going to type SHEIN. Here you go. Search. So you can see that SHEIN is right here, and this is the way that you can earn through SHEIN. So what you're going to do is you're going to apply to the program, and so when you apply to their program, after a couple of days, you're going to get a link from SHEIN, and then you can use that link for affiliate marketing. But in order to get that link, SHEIN has to accept you. They will either accept you or reject you manually. So when you click on apply to program, then SHEIN is going to analyze you and then accept or reject you manually. So this is how you can apply, you can earn through SHEIN. I hope this video was helpful. Please do give a like and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you with more content like this. Thank you so much.